Jared Simpson here with MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard a 2014 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. This is a recent trade-in for MarineMax, a boat that we actually sold new. It only has 362 hours on the triple MERCURY VERADO 300, 4-strokes. This is one of the best-selling models from Boston Whaler. They still build this boat today for 2022. It's been in production since its first year, which was this boat, 2014. If you come aboard, you'll come through this nice dive door that Boston Whaler is known for. Large cockpit, stern seat that folds up and recesses completely out of the way. And this is your ladder for your dive door. Prep area here, ton of tackle storage. Additional live wells, so the boat has 2 live wells, one in the stern, one here in the center. Prep center. Triple helm seats on the 350 Outrage. Boat's also equipped with a Lumar bow thruster, 2 15-inch Raymarine displays, open array radar, separate autopilot unit, remote control spotlight, stereo with Bluetooth. Great navigation package in this boat. All the rails in the hardtop are painted. Recessed stainless steel grab rail moving forward. Fold out trolling seats in case you want to watch your line as you're trolling. Huge lounge sheet up here in the bow. Underneath the lounge sheet, you have a ton of rod storage and just plain dry storage. This is a high-low power table up here in the bow. These backrests you can adjust if you want to face forward sitting up. Boat is an anchor windlass, stainless steel anchor. Basically there's every option, including a full 360-degree enclosure that's now stored in the head compartment that you can put on a 350 Outrage. The hull color is Fighting Lady Yellow, which is a pale yellow paint. Boat's ready to go. Like I said, 362 hours, a great opportunity for somebody. My name is Jared Simpson. If you'd like additional information, you can reach me at 781-727-0629.